So today's video, I'm going to be decorating my room for Christmas because it's like December 8th or something and my room still looks like this, and that's really not okay. Today we're going to change that. So I decided to bring you guys along and we're gonna have a party. So yeah, let's just hop into decorating and getting into the Christmas spirit.
For yourself, a merry little Christmas, you know.
Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is this like shelf area because it's basically the most biggest, funnest part of my room. So aw, cute. That is my Christmas tree because it's like metal, fake-ish, because I don't have a real one. Okay. So right now it looks kind of ugly, so I'm gonna need to work on making this look less like a bunch of random junk.
Merry little Christmas.
Oh no. Ooh, that looks pretty cute. Yes. That's actually my this is actually my favorite Christmas carol. It's so pretty, oh my gosh. Also, I did my nails for Christmas. Okay guys, so it is the next day and I'm back in my very fun sweater. And today I'm going to be finishing up decorating because I got like most of it done, but I still need to do some stuff, so we're going to do it today. Is this shelf? Literally the best part of the whole thing. Lights. I'm convinced that you can literally put fairy lights on a dumpster and it would look cute. So let's add some of these bad boys. So now I think I'm gonna move on to my bed right here because mostly everything else in my room is done. So let's make my bed. So I think my room is finished, so now I'm going to give you guys a little tour. Not sure if you care, but... So clearly my room looks much more festive now, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me decorate and stuff. I had a lot of fun and now my room looks great. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I'll see you in my next video.